So the question is how to choose the proper trustee of your trust. One of the first things is to understand what is the job of the trustee. The trustee is going to be the person who manages the assets that you put in the trust for the benefit of whatever beneficiaries that you choose. And you need to understand how long that trust could possibly last. If it's a short-term job, maybe the age of the potential trustee doesn't matter. But if this is a long-term trust that could last 10, 20 years or several decades, you may want to consider younger trustees or even corporate trustees. The main thing with choosing a responsible trustee is someone who's financially responsible. Their primary job is going to be investments, or at least hiring someone to help advise them on what the investments should be. In addition to that, their major responsibilities are going to be making sure that annual tax returns are done and that distributions are made to the beneficiaries in accordance with whatever wishes you put in your trust document. You can also choose between corporate trustees and individual trustees. The pros to an individual trustee is going to be that you have someone that ideally knows your family, knows the beneficiaries, understands the background to the situation, and is able to properly respond to anything that arises in the situation. The con to an individual trustee is that this may be the person's first go around being a trustee. So they may be lost on what their actual duties are. They may struggle to figure out who they have to ask for assistance and guidance. The corporate trustee is the reverse. The corporate trustee is going to be a company where this is their job. This is what they've done for hundreds of other people before you. They know what the responsibilities are. They know how to invest assets. They know how to deal with beneficiaries. So you don't have to worry about the knowledge base of the corporate trustee. The potential negative side of a corporate trustee is that they do not know your full family and the background history and the personalities of the people involved. You also will not know who the individual from the trust company would potentially be in the future. If this trust does not come into existence, does not get funded 10 years from now, by example, you don't know who the people at that trust company are going to be. They may not be who they are today. So your family, your beneficiaries will be dealing with someone that you don't know who they are today. That would be one negative of choosing a corporate trustee. And you always want to name a successor to whoever you do nominate. If the person that you do name or the trust company that you do name is not willing to take on the job or is unable to serve in that role, you want to make sure that you have at least one backup named in your document to take over that role. And those are your considerations for a proper trustee.